Welcome to yours truly. Today you'll witness a live rendition of Untitled from the LP Rap Music, created entirely by Killer Mike and LP, also known as Jamie and Mike. I appreciate you watching, appreciate your listenership. Hope you enjoy me killing this shit. Yeah. Let's get him, Ryan. You were witnessing elegance in the form of a black elephant, smoking white rhino on terraces. Will I die slain like my king by a terrorist? Will my woman be Coretta, take my name and cherish it? Or will she Jackie O, drop the Kennedy, remarry it? My sister say it's necessary on some Cleopatra shit. My grandmother said no, never, that is sacrilege. I tend to agree, cause the thought is so disparaging. The law give a load, you got to carry it like Mary did. That's why I'm giving honor to all these baby mamas. It takes a woman's wound to make her Christ a Dalai Lama. The world might take that child, turn that child into a monster. Lord will take a monster, fashion him a saint. I present you Malcolm X for those that saying that he can't, saying that he won't, when I know he will. You usually don't know it's you until you getting killed. For real, dear Lord, have mercy on the ones that go through life like it's a game. Dear Lord, I won't be forced to shut up if I don't feel the same. Cause people gon' lie and people gon' steal. You gotta be careful not to shit where you live, cause people might try to have you killed. Lord have mercy, like it's such a battlefield. For real, I ain't never gave a fuck, I never did and never will. Live my life on principle, keep it true, keep it real. Better said I keep it real. No matter who don't like it, homie, that's just how it is. Naked truth, like the stripper that's in front of me. And I keep a blunt and a Bible and a gun on me. Why? Cause I'm country, actually I'm southern. Something like my brother in the legendary Andre 3K, CeeLo Gooding and some other men. You should pay some homage and honor this. This is not the fiction that is sold by conglomerates. This is so the black folk mixed with Donald going shit. Better say Robert Beck, esoteric I can get. This is John Gotti painting pictures like Dolly. This is Basquiat with a passion like Pop, in a body like Biggie, telling stories like Ricky. If a rapper was to spar, please tell them better get it. You with me, dear Lord, have mercy on the ones that go through life like it's a game. Dear Lord, I won't be forced to shut up when I don't feel the same. Cause people gon' lie and people gon' steal. You gotta be careful not to shit where you live. Them people might try to have you killed. Lord have mercy, like it's such a battlefield. For real. On the ones and twos, Provide cuts this evening is my homeboy DJ Trackstar, my tour detail. This is Grind Time Rap Gang. Bang, bang, bang. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't trust the church or the government, Democrat, Republican, Pope or Bishop or the mother men. And I believe God has sustained me with rap, so I take a burning bush, put it in a swish of rap, and they can't kill a G. I seen how I die. I'm only going once, a coward dies 1,000 times. Until that chariot come to take a nigga home, I'ma spit this ghetto gospel over all these ghetto songs. I'm gone.
Got it out the dirt, now I'm in, what you think? It's like I got a residential stay at the paint. Not about what you get, it's all about what you make. Young niggas steady on that paper trail. Just that fire, just that vibe, just that get it, take back what's mine. I'm at your neck when I call up the time. Surrounded by niggas that I know the ride. Turn the hoe, come and bust it down. Tapping on that like she must be proud. When you ain't know how to mess around. Stand up niggas till they back sit down. Everything around me cash rule. I'm a hustle like the brains past due. I'm going nuts, cash you. I talk nuts, that's cool. I got out the mud, nigga. Everything's got its bug. Nigga, the beat at the top, that's sauce. Nigga, you said you was gonna do what? Nigga, what's up? Which was really good. Looking down is kinda scared. Not from the view, but I can't let nobody live. Now they keep the guard like the son of man. But by the end of the night, I'll be legendary.
used to the other side, but I'm cruising that fine line of being great and wanting to die. Don't mistake it, I'm so alive, misplaced for my whole life. So this face is pure drive, I bring you heaven. The day I was born was branded a legend. I won't conform to the madness. My steps permanently embedded on this earth, and even farther. You know you making it harder. I shine, but irregardless, the weak shouldn't even bother. Y'all cry wolf, this cry jacks. You nobody, not body tracks. My crown on, I feel so relaxed. No southpaw, I come right with that, and that's real. You can't fight that. You can't see the truth. Get your sight back. Sister, we up in the building, and I'm a big dog. You can't fight that.
Like me down that creek when I jump on the beat. They can never render in the mic so cool, they can spare some so unique. I'm a giant that they caught this street. I'm a god next to got me feeling so Greek. Watch the flow bang, everybody goes down. Never got from my mouth, giving everybody toe tax. They didn't know that the flow was coming straight for the south of the Thames. Get him if they're coming against Ben and you walk so classic, get wrecked. The energy's mad, the world's big, you already know who you're going up against. A king with a Midas touch, wherever my fingers struck. Breath when I spit too much, my song when it finally blows up. Energy changes when I step in the room, spirit from when I get energy from you. We're on the same team, legendary, you're a legend too.
You won't be vexed, these you get ejected. Favoring me, they got free till they squeeze. Do the coaches right before I reset them. Game over. No, I told you. Don't you ever with your life for exposure. On a dice might get a bite from a cold. Be the ones that's close to that exposure. Got a toaster in a holster in a toaster. You won't wear your downfall with a toaster. Victory is sweet, you can smell the aroma. Don't believe in me, you either should go in the cone. Going down on the beat, now to compete. Finance me, you done, let them sleep. I don't need a gun when I speak tongue, get the peace. I don't need to run with the peace, I'm one with the